company and the team members behind this event, the Devox Morocco, for hosting this outstanding event in the Souss Massa region for the second time. We are really delighted to continue this collaboration and make it grow. And by doing so, get this region moving. In 2019, when I first met the Devox team, as president of the Chamber of Commerce, I was really convinced from the very beginning that our region is the perfect place to host such events. A region that is a fertile land for the digital industry, with a wide range of opportunities and assets, and a large pool of talents and resources. Yes, we did it. We joined our effort and we made it a successful edition, alhamdulillah. In 2020, the whole world surprisingly went through the COVID pandemic. We had to confront one of the biggest challenges in our times. We tried to do the best way we could, but we realized that we were not only facing COVID, but most importantly, navigating in a rapidly changing world. Social, economic, and technological changes. Everyone became aware that digital potential is not just a mere promise of a better future, but already an urgent leverage that we need to accelerate if we want to survive. Aligned with His Majesty directives, may God bless him, and the National Strategy Framework, we started making important steps in this long journey that we aim will make Souss Massa fit for the digital era. We invested in dedicated infrastructures, like you say, like Technopark Agadir, Technopark Tiznit. Par la même occasion, je fais un grand honneur à l'ami Adolfo qui est avec nous, qui nous accompagne. Bravo, l'ami. La cité, and city organization, sur une tour aussi, qui accompagne le président des clusters in our main industry, like Agrotech, Logipol, and Aliopol, which collaborate with their respective industry ecosystem in R&D and innovative solutions, mostly digital solutions. Last but not least, all stakeholders should understand that these projects and this transition will take place only if we have the will, the skills, and the required talent like you. La cité and city organization, it's a must to adapt our education to the future needs and emerging sectors. It's a must to support innovation and the new forms of tech entrepreneurs, digital nomads, and investors. We are already out there, on y est déjà. We started with the cellular technology. Today, like His Excellency, Her Excellency say, we will announce our collaboration with the Ministry of Digital Transition and a new coding program with the Jadara Foundation. La cité and city organization, sur une tour aussi, qui accompagne le président du Mezor et qui est un grand partenaire. Vous y êtes pour beaucoup aussi, partenariat.
السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الاعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة.